Guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel for another useful and informative video which is about WhatsApp. So guys, while creating your WhatsApp new account, you may get this problem on your WhatsApp that you are stuck on preparing messages. Please wait a moment. So guys, if you are stuck here I will show you how can you fix this problem. So first of all guys, go back to your home screen, and from here open setting on your device, and from here scroll it below and tap on general. So guys, after this scroll it below and tap on iPhone storage, and from here wait for some seconds and open WhatsApp here. So guys, from here simply offload your WhatsApp app and check if your problem is fixed or not. So guys, after this there is a second solution, that is you will have to go back to your settings again, and from here you will have to tap on general, and from here you will have to scroll it below again, and from here you will have to tap on transfer or reset iPhone. So guys, tap here and tap again on reset, and from here you will have to tap on reset network settings. So guys, from here tap on reset network settings. So after this give your passcode for your iPhone, and after this your problem hopefully will be fixed. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.